Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw your funds from Trojan Bot. So in order to do this, you first have to come to Trojan Bot. I will also put the link of it down in the description so you can use that link in order to get the 10% discount on your trading on Trojan Bot. So once you are on Trojan Bot, you need to click on this menu button and then click on the start button. Once done, you will be able to see all of the options that are provided by the Trojan Bot. Here, as you want to withdraw your funds, you will have to click on the withdraw button and then it will ask you to select the network from which you want to withdraw. So here you can withdraw from your Solana wallet and from your Ethereum wallet. So let's say you want to withdraw from your Solana wallet, so you will have to click on the Solana option. Then it will show you your available balance in Solana as well as its current price. Now if you want to do it from Ethereum, then you will have to click on the Ethereum button and then it will ask you to select the token that you want to withdraw on Ethereum. So you will have to click on ETH over here and then it will ask you which percentage you want to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw the full amount, then you can click on this 100% amount, or if you want to withdraw the 50% of your amount, then you will have to click on the 50%. If you want to put your own amount into it, then you can click on this X percentage button, and after that you just have to enter the amount in percentage over here. Then it will take the percentage in this section and it will check the amount that you have entered. Then you just have to click on the X amount over here and you just have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw from your account. After that you just have to click on the set withdrawal address. So if you click on it, you just have to give it the deposit address, then it will take the address in this section and then you just have to follow further on screen instructions in order to successfully withdraw your amount from Trojan Bot to your another wallet or to another exchanges. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.